Let's just start off with the problem areas. Literally seem to be all over my face. Oh shit, this is actually quite a lot of problems. Fuck me. Cover those dark circles. Maybe some bronzer. I think I left my bronzer at my boyfriend's house. I have. Oh, I have. Oh, no, I haven't. I found it. Oh, fuck. Now I've started and I can't stop. This is not good. We're not about that life. We're not about it. I feel like I'm a lot more calm and collected now. I overreact so much when I'm in like an emotional little phase. So this video is going to be so fun. Cinema. Our men are friends. What? Whoa. Well, this is starting off with a bang. My ex-boyfriend killed somebody and it will haunt me till the day I die. Did you know this when you were with him? Did you find out afterwards? Was it someone you knew? Was it a family member? It sounds really invasive, but like, I find this stuff so intriguing. But ooh, this. I fancy my cousin and have fantasized about him. See, this is what I don't get, right? This is what I just don't understand. So many of you tell me that you kiss your cousins accidentally and I'm just like, sis, I don't think that's accidental. I feel like you guys are just that messed up that you actually want to kiss your cousins. You just don't want to admit it. I found my dad's Viagra. He's obviously been lying to my mum for years. Is Viagra the one that gives you a boner? Is that the one that like when you're not feeling so good it perks you up? I swear that's something else. What is Viagra? Let me know down in the comments if you know what Viagra is. I was kissing my boyfriend and I got sick in my mouth. Oh, sick in his mouth. Oh, so you were sick in your boyfriend's mouth. I fancied my mom's boyfriend and then it turns out he's my best mate's dad. Oh, there are some daddies in this world. I bet you're probably like 14 as well, so that makes that automatically weird. I slept with someone and I can't remember their name or what they look like. It's so weird to me because I feel like I never had that phase of my life. I never went on a night out and came back with a boy, slept with them and then just not remembered their name or who they was or where I met them. I don't know if that's a good thing or if I've missed out on a massive chunk of my childhood. Actually, let me know if you've had a one-night stand and if you can or cannot remember their name. Very intrigued. Some lad offered me a free gram to sniff off my arse and I'm debating whether to accept it. Drugs are actually disgusting. I told my best friend's crush that she likes him and he stopped talking to her. Ooh, that's cold. I had a huge crush on this boy and then I found out he was my cousin. Didn't stop me though. Do you know what is wrong with these people? What's actually wrong with these people? What do I need to do now? I feel like I'm halfway done already. I look very haggard. I look bloody haggard, that's what I do. I look haggard. What accent is that? This made me absolutely wee myself because you just know that she knew what the hell she was doing when she submitted these. My old friend who is like 13 is technically a prostitute now and she wears 2 push-up bras. Like the chicken fillet. Oops. I didn't realise these were supposed to be my confession. See, sis. Also, prostitute at 13? People are having sex at 13 now. My childhood was so different. Like, I actually feel like you guys were just let loose. Can't relate. I grew up in a nice Christian family and had my first drink at 18 years old. Psych. To be honest though, I did grow up with my nan and granddad. But I'm really thankful about it because I feel like if I did do all these like one-night stands and things like that, I'd be a very different person. But then I also feel like I'd probably have a lot of issues, you feel? Oh, by the way, I'm absolutely loving liquid blushes at the minute. This isn't even liquid, this is just like a stick. Well, no, it's not, because it's cream. It's a cream. I'm absolutely in love with everything creamy at the minute. That doesn't sound good to say. I once kissed my sister's boyfriend and she doesn't know and she's still going out with him. You are an awful human being. He has kissed your sister's mouth. He's kissed your sister's other mouth. And maybe, ooh, maybe her back bum as well as her front bum. Ew. Ew. I snuck out of our house at 2 AM to sleep with 2 guys. Wanting to know more information, I kind of need you to write a novel on this. Did you sleep with the 2 guys at the same time? Were they best friends? Were they brothers? Were they dad and brother? Wait, dad and son? Or was it separate? Like, did you go to the one's house, then you were like, I went to the other one? You followed this up by saying, I found my mom's nudes. Do you know what? I hope that at the grand old age of whatever the hell it is when you become a mother, I hope I'm still feeling good enough in my body to take photos of myself. Not that I'll be sending them to anyone. I mean, maybe my husband will get a cheeky few. But imagine you've had a kid. Like, it's hard to feel confident after that because you literally push a whole boulder out of you and then your body has to deal with that. Sad. Well, I don't know what's next in my makeup routine. As a kid, I used to chew toilet paper pretending it was gum. I started smoking at the age of 9. That's really bad for you. I just said that like I was trying to be educational, but obviously it's bad for you. Is it wise for me to be putting on eye makeup today? Well, I say yes, because we're gonna remain positive. I've also got a lot to do today. I don't have time to get emotional. Who has time to be emotional nowadays? Oh no. Oh, I fucked it up. I'm just watching this back and there's literally paranormal activity behind me, which is fabulous. Let's just get it on a replay, shall we? Replay, yes. My door freaking opens and shuts. That is so scary. Anyway, peace out. Enjoy me crying. My mum killed her ex-boyfriend and I helped clean up. My mum is in prison for 20 years. Kind of want to know the backstory. Kind of don't. Ooh, I don't really know what to say. I love watching true crime documentaries and murder mysteries and all of that, but I feel like there's too much of a close connection between you following me and the fact that you and your mom murdered someone. Just making me a bit uneasy. So I have an online sugar daddy, but I sent him my friend's nudes that I got sent by her ex-boyfriend. Right. Does your friend know about this? Technically, it's clever. Use someone else's photos to get money from a sugar daddy because obviously you don't get the embarrassment, but that's taking away someone else's hard-earned cash. I hope you're not friends anymore. I would not be friends with you. I really fucking wouldn't be friends with you after that. Like, for example, if you were to take a porn star's nudes and you're taking away their livelihood, so that's kind of shitty because it's their rightfully earned money. I get, but I don't get. It's bad. You shouldn't do that. I genuinely don't mean to laugh at this because I know you're so young, but it's really just really just making me giggle. How young are you? You're young. I want to make out with a year 8. What the fuck should I do? He said he will give me a dry hump. I don't know whether year 8 is older than you or younger than you, but that's a really weird flex that he said he's gonna do that. I made my friend's boyfriend fall in love with me to break up with her because he treated her like shit. Did you do that to benefit you? Or was it to benefit her? Isn't that just the absolutely most perfectly gorgeous, stunningly beautiful lipstick colour you've ever seen? Thanks, Kiko. I'm 15 and I was on holiday with my family. I 46-year-old man. The grand old age of 50. It used to taste so good and now it doesn't. I'm underreacting because this is, once again, paedophilia. And we don't tolerate that on this channel. We don't tolerate it in the UK or in the whole bloody world. Whether you wanted to or not, you're 15, which means you are not of a legal age to decide your own actions correctly. Obviously 16 is the legal sexual intercourse age. You were 15 and he was 46, which means he rightfully knew what he was doing. That is a lawsuit waiting to happen. I accidentally stole something from Gucci and I'm scared to say anything in case I go to jail. Do you know what, darling? Yeah, I wouldn't say anything. I just wouldn't tell anyone because you will in fact go to jail. But how the hell did you steal from Gucci? Like, they have security guards everywhere. Like, they're even hidden under the desk, for God's sake. They're literally everywhere. I don't know. I don't know if it's real. And I'm hoping it's not because it's disgusting. My great-granddad, that is 98, slept with me. Their great-granddad, that is 98, slept with them. Yeah, I genuinely have no words for that one. Oh no, oh no. We're not gonna cry this time, but I genuinely have left my eyelash glue at my boyfriend's house. And we're not gonna cry about it because I'm sick of crying and I don't wanna cry no more. So I'm just gonna find some more. Oh, she's found some more. I literally can't even entertain it. Like, it sounds so up. Awful, like absolutely goddamn bloody awful, and I can't believe you've done it. You've ruined my holiday. I slept with my manager and then reported him for sexual harassment. I think that is so bad. Like, you willingly slept with your manager. You used it to your advantage to get him sacked. False claiming sexual assault is one of the main leading reasons why people don't get believed when they actually have been sexually assaulted. So it's really, really sad. And I don't mean this to like literally shit on you, but I am shitting on you. And you put lol at the end of it as well, which means you're really proud of what you've done. My nan's ringing me. Should we talk to my nan? Let's talk to my nan.
Right, it's only quickly.
Oh, okay.
What do you want to eat on Wednesday night? What?
What about a roast dinner?
What?
I can't hear you. What is going on with my phone? I'm gonna do the shameless thing of midway through this video plugging my TikTok, because I used to absolutely bloody hate the thing and now I can't get a bloody enough. So I hate myself too, don't worry. But a lot of you have mixed opinions about the brows, which here they are. I'm kind of liking them. Obviously they're filled in now. You guys saw them unfilled and just done, so they obviously looked very, very different. I really like them. Definitely not worth £75, which a lot of you have told me is a ridiculous price, which I had no idea about. Apparently you can get them done for £25. 25. I regret the thing I did, and I'll tell you what it is. Why are so many of you killing people?